BIS teams inspected India's smartest fortified rice blending unit. Verified validation process with micro setting, for output of 1:100 mixing ratios. Process inspected by BIS officers, for 1:100 uniform mixing accuracy, and agitator should not damage FRK and raw rice. After mixing, collecting sample for verify 1:100 mixing ratio. Supervisory control and data acquisition system, to record FRK and rice feeding rate. FRK and normal rice mixing sample analysis for 1:100 ratio. We weight a 100-gram sample separately, for normal rice and rice that has been fortified, in order to prove that our mixing process and control system provide 1:100 mixing accuracy. We achieve India's first BIS approved fortified rice blending unit as per IS 17854 in year 2022.